Following the safe practices we have outlined should keep everyone safe from harm. But unfortunately, accidents can happen. This section will help explain how to use safety equipment that is in every lab at GVSU. When you have your first meeting with your instructor, you should locate all of the equipment. Your instructor will point it out to you. The safety assessment at the end of this module will verify that you have completed safety training for this chemistry laboratory course. If a large quantity of chemical spills on you, use the safety shower for at least 15 minutes to flush the chemical off your skin. To use the safety shower, get under it, pull or push the handle down. This will turn the shower on. Your instructor will come to your aid. All contaminated clothing must be removed to get the chemicals off your skin. You must flush the water for at least 15 minutes. About 60 gallons of water per minute will pour from the shower head and flush the chemical away. 15 minutes are necessary because chemicals can adhere to the skin and begin to penetrate the instant the exposure happens. Other students should turn off and unplug appliances such as hot plates or burners, leave the lab to provide privacy to the student, follow the directions given by the instructor, do not leave the building or lab session unless instructed to do so or dismissed. If asked, stand with your back to the window or door to provide a privacy shield. If a chemical splashes into your eye or eyes, you should use the Eyewash to flush the chemical out of your eyes. To use the Eyewash, get to the Eyewash, turn the water flow on. Some Eyewashes turn on by pulling the bar down, and some will turn on by pushing a handle away from you. Bend over the bowl of the Eyewash to put your eyes into the soft water stream. Keep your eyelids open, even if you need to hold them open with your fingers. Your instructor will come to assist you. Flush your eyes for at least 15 minutes. Be careful not to contaminate both eyes. If only one eye is affected, tilt your head to place the good eye above the injured eye and keep it out of the water flow. Avoid splashing chemicals into your eyes. Always wear your splash goggles when chemicals are in use or being cleaned up in the lab. Recall that your instructor will monitor progress of all students and let everyone know when it is safe to remove goggles. Goggles do not protect your eyes when they are on your forehead. If you are certain that a chemical splashed into only one eye, use the single stream Eyewash. Grasp the nozzle and pull the Eyewash out from the storage position. Squeeze the handle. Lean over the sink and aim the soft water stream into the affected eye. Be sure to keep the unaffected eye above the contaminated eye that is being flushed to avoid rinsing the chemicals into the good eye. Keep your eyelids open even if you must hold them open with your fingers. Your instructor will come to assist you. Flush for at least 15 minutes. Remember to avoid splashes into your eye or eyes. Wear your splash goggles. If you feel comfortable doing so, to use the fire extinguisher for small fires. Pull out the pin on the handle. Pick up the fire extinguisher off the cradle. Keep your back to the door so that you can get out if the fire does not go out. Do not have the fire between you and the exit. Aim the hose to one side of the base of the fire. Compress the handle and sweep the stream across the base of the fire. Be sure you aim the nozzle at the fire before you compress the handle, as fire extinguishers have a relatively short discharge time, about 10 to 40 seconds, depending on the fire extinguisher and the fire squelching material.